Today, we're diving into the Bitwala Debit Card, a versatile financial tool that combines the power of cryptocurrency with the practicality of a traditional debit card. If you're new to crypto or looking for a seamless way to spend your digital assets, this card could be for you. Let's break down its key features and why it stands out in the market. Firstly, the Bitwala Debit Card allows you to hold, spend, and convert cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin directly from your wallet. You can use it just like any regular debit card in millions of retailers globally, both online and offline. This means you can easily switch between fiat currencies and crypto, making it ideal for anyone who is into digital assets, but still needs to make everyday transactions. What about fees? The Bitwala Debit Card offers competitive exchange rates for crypto to fiat conversions and charges minimal transaction fees. However, you should be aware that foreign transaction fees can apply when used abroad. This is important to consider if you're traveling or making international purchases. On the plus side, there are no monthly maintenance fees or annual charges, which gives it an edge over some other crypto cards. As for services, Bitwala integrates crypto banking into a single platform. With the card, you can manage your Bitcoin or Ethereum holdings directly through the app, which also features secure two-factor authentication for enhanced security. You can buy, sell, and store crypto all in one place, making it incredibly convenient if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. Of course, no product is perfect. One drawback of the Bitwala Debit Card is that it's limited to certain regions, so you need to check whether it's available in your country before you apply. Another potential downside is the lack of support for all coins beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you're heavily invested in other cryptocurrencies, this might be a deal breaker for you. Overall, the Bitwala Debit Card is a strong contender in the crypto card market, especially if you're a Bitcoin or Ethereum holder looking for a low-fee, easy-to-use option for crypto and traditional spending alike. If you found this overview helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more crypto and fintech content.